Watch how this crochet wind spinner curls into a 3D spiral all by itself. It starts with simple rows, but the shape begins to twist as you crochet. Then we'll finish it with a cute crochet flower and colorful beads. So it's ready to hang as cheerful handmade decor. For this beginner-friendly project, I'm using 3 colors of cotton yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Let's start with the foundation chain. You can start this project with a foundation chain about 35 to 40 centimeters long. For my yarn and hook size, I'm going to make 75 chains in total. After making 75 chains, work 1/2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Into the next chain, work 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more half double crochet. Now repeat this in each chain across until you reach the end of the row. Keep going with 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more half double crochet until the end. Keep repeating this simple pattern and work your way across the row. This first row sets up the base for the spiral shape. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now go back to the beginning of the row and continue with your second color. Attach your yarn in the space between the first chain and the half double crochet. Then chain 3. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Into the same space, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Repeat this into each chain 1 space and work your way across the row. As we add more stitches, the shape starts to open up and curl. For this second row, work 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets into each chain 1 space across. Into the last chain 1 space, repeat the same pattern. 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Go back to the beginning of the row and continue with the same color. Attach your yarn into the chain 1 space of the first V-stitch. Then chain 3. Now work 6 double crochets into the same space. Including the beginning chain, you should have 7 double crochets in total. This is the row where the wind spinner really starts to curl. The extra stitches create that beautiful 3D spiral effect. Continue across by working 7 double crochets into the center chain 1 space of each V-stitch. This creates a full 7 double crochet shell, and this is where the spiral starts to build. After you finish the last shell, chain 1. Cut the yarn, then go back to the beginning with your 3rd color. Now let's make the final row. Attach your yarn at the top of the first chain. Chain 1. On top of each of the next 6 double crochets, repeat this pattern. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Now we'll add a small textured edge detail. Watch this part closely, because this little step makes the edge look much neater. After the last slip stitch, insert your hook into the space between the 2 groups from the second row. Pull up a loop and make 1 single crochet. Move to the next group and repeat the same edge pattern. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Repeat the same edge pattern on each group. Save this video if you want to come back to this step later. Again, insert your hook into the space between the 2 groups from the second row. Pull up a loop and make 1 single crochet. Move to the next group and repeat these steps until the end of the row. This small detail makes the edge look more polished. At the end of the row, after the last slip stitch, make a chain as long as you want for the hanging loop. I made 25 chains in total. Now I'm forming a small loop like this. Secure it here with a slip stitch. After making a few more slip stitches, cut the yarn and weave in the tail. Now let's add the little flower detail that gives the bottom a pretty finished look. First, we'll make a small crochet flower motif. You can use any color combination you like, or use the same colors from your wind spinner. Start the flower motif with a magic ring. Chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. Into the ring, start 2 half double crochets, but don't finish them separately. Then pull through all the loops on your hook together. Chain 2. Repeat the same cluster. Start 2 half double crochets, then pull through all the loops on your hook together. Make 6 clusters in total like this. After making 6 groups, chain 2. Then join to the top of the first chain with a slip stitch to finish the round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then continue with the second color. Attach your yarn into any chain space from the previous round. Chain 3. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet here too. Into the same space, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Repeat the same stitch pattern into each chain space. You can use matching colors or choose a brighter contrasting color for the flower. Move to the next chain space and work 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. Repeat this into each chain space around. When you reach the end of the round, slip stitch across from the top of the first chain to the chain space. Chain 2. Work 6 double crochets into the same space. These larger stitch groups give the flower a soft, raised shape, and this little detail makes the wind spinner look more finished. Continue around by working 7 double crochets into the center chain 1 space of each V-stitch. These little shells give the flower a soft, raised shape. When you reach the end of the round, join to the top of the first chain with a slip stitch. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. With the third color, we'll repeat the same edge detail we used on the wind spinner. Attach your yarn at the top of any double crochet. Then chain 1. On top of each double crochet below, repeat this pattern. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. This is the same edge detail we used on the wind spinner. So the flower matches the spiral piece nicely. Insert your hook between the 2 double crochets from the second round. Pull up a loop and make 1 single crochet. Move to the next double crochet group and continue the same pattern. Slip stitch, chain 1. Slip stitch, chain 1. Continue this way until the end of the round. When you reach the end of the round, make the last slip stitch. Then insert your hook between the 2 double crochets from the second round. Pull up a loop and make 1 single crochet. Leave a small yarn tail here. Then make an invisible join at the top of the first stitch. If you like following written instructions, you can find the written pattern on my website. Now let's add the final decorations. After the invisible join, I'm using the same colors from the wind spinner for these little decorations. You can add pearls or beads in any way you like. At the top, we already made the hanging loop for the wind spinner. Let it hang down like this. Then attach the decoration to the bottom point on the first row green section. After adding the decoration, gently twist the wind spinner around its center to shape the spiral neatly. Look how beautifully it curls into shape. The spiral is soft, colorful, and ready to hang. And that's how we make this colorful crochet wind spinner. Your 3D spiral decor is ready to hang. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. Tell me in the comments which color combination you would choose for your wind spinner. I can't wait to see your creations. See you in the next tutorial.